What's up, everybody? Welcome to No Control RC. It's the new RC channel on the block for RC nuts by RC nuts. We're going to cover everything from budget cheap cars to buy all the way up to high end, this and that, custom builds, monster trucks, drag cars, even got some snow skids in here. So stay tuned for upcoming new cool stuff. All right, so what we're doing today, we got the ARRMA Granite voltage. This is, we picked this up for $99 off Horizon. As of the moment of, as this video, they're still 99 bucks. So let's yank this thing out of the box and kind of see overall what it looks like for a budget RC. What do you got here? Ooh, got a remote. Boom. Get that bad boy right there. All right, so here she is. So this is the ARRMA Granite voltage. Like I said, it was $99. It's a 1/10 scale with a monster 20-turn motor in it. So it's going to be really fast. So let's look at it. Let's look at the inside here. So again, like I said, this is a $99 RC. So it is actually more designed, geared towards introductory, looking to get into RC. That's more of a hobby grade versus the Walmart department store RCs. So overall, you know, it's put together pretty nice. It's got a, like I said, a 20-turn 540 motor in it with a all-in-one electronic setup. It does have double wishbone. It comes with metal gear differentials with drive shafts. It does have a 2.4 gigahertz remote, and it comes with an 1800 nickel metal hydrate battery with a wall charger and 4 AA batteries. So essentially this thing is plug and play, charge it up, and you're ready to go. So I think the next turn we're going to do is take this thing outside and crank on it, see what happens.
Yeah, I gotta record it. Okay, it's wide open. Go do the speed test? Will this thing even go off the jump? Well, you're gonna have to be full throttle. Oh yeah, look at that. Real good. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna say right here already, maybe a 6-year-old.
This is a child first hobby grade RC car in a defined area.
Reminds me a lot of the Red Cat volcano trucks. Bored yet? That's probably a good ending point.
That's where I would end it right there.
That's more than enough.
All right, guys. So we're back from running this around. So this was the one that we got for $99 on sale through Horizon Hobbies. Now, if you have tight on space and you got a small child or something, that maybe might not grow into the hobby, this all in all isn't a bad rig. It just has no upgradability and whatnot. Now, if you had somebody that was going to progress into the hobby, you can get like the Granite Boost version where you can upgrade it. You can go to 4-wheel drive, 2S. You know, you'll be able to grow and have a lot more fun with it. So for only a little bit more, you can get something that you can work on, upgrade, have a good time. Still kind of a fun truck to do, but it was kind of slow. So you have that option you can do. And then we also have the Boost Centon, which is fully upgradable. I've run some of these other trucks. Good time. We're going to do a review on this one. Stay tuned for that. So all in all, you got to know your audience for this one. Still a cool truck, just not very fast. So as always, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.